Imagine this. You publish a blog post today, and instead of waiting months, it hits page 1 on Google within weeks. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. In 2025, SEO is not about stuffing keywords or chasing backlinks, it's about mastering user intent, semantic search, and AI-driven ranking factors. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact SEO formula that's working right now. We'll cover how Google's AI evaluates content, why EEAT is more important than ever, and how to structure your content so it's irresistible to both readers and algorithms. Stick with me, because I'll show you practical steps, like how to use AI tools to generate SEO-friendly outlines, how to build topical authority, and how to repurpose content into multiple formats that Google loves. And at the end, I'll share the secret hack top SEO agencies use to get clients ranking faster. If you want your website to finally break through the noise and dominate search results in 2025, you can't miss this. Let's dive in.